In 1905, Albert Einstein introduced a revolutionary idea that would forever change our understanding of the universe, the theory of relativity. Before Einstein, space and time were seen as absolute, unchanging backdrops to all events. But Einstein challenged this view, questioning whether these concepts were truly fixed and independent. Through his special theory of relativity, he proposed that space and time are woven together into a single fabric, spacetime, and that they are not absolute, but relative to the observer's motion. This radical idea led to the realization that time can slow down or speed up depending on how fast you move, and that distances can contract. 10 years later, his general theory of relativity went even further, showing that gravity is not a force pulling objects together, but a warping of space-time itself by mass and energy. These insights didn't just transform physics, they reshaped how we think about existence, causality, and the nature of reality itself. Einstein's work opened the door to technologies like GPS, which rely on relativistic corrections, and deepened our understanding of cosmic phenomena such as black holes in the expanding universe, revealing a cosmos far more dynamic and interconnected than ever imagined. GPS satellites and relativity. Einstein's ideas didn't just stay in textbooks. They've rippled into the world around us in ways we experience every day. One of the most surprising examples is the Global Positioning System, GPS. But how? The tiny satellites orbiting high above Earth travel fast and far from the planet's gravity. According to Einstein's relativity, that warps how time flows. Clocks on those satellites tick slightly faster than clocks on Earth. Without constant adjustments based on his equations, GPS would be off by miles each day. That's Einstein at work, in your pocket, helping you navigate to your favorite cafe. Time is personal, but relativity didn't stop there. It reshaped how we see ourselves in the universe. Time, once assumed to tick forward the same for everyone, is now known to stretch and compress based on motion and gravity. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station age a tiny bit slower than their twin siblings back on Earth. This isn't sci-fi. It's been measured using atomic clocks accurate to a billionth of a second. Einstein taught us, time isn't universal, it's personal. Black holes come to life. His theories also predicted something once considered pure madness: black holes. These are cosmic traps where gravity crushes matter so densely that even light can't escape. Einstein's math suggested they could exist, but even he wasn't fully convinced. Yet a century later, humanity aimed radio telescopes at the heart of a distant galaxy and captured the shadow of a black hole, surrounded by warped light. It matched his predictions, down to the swirl. Einstein glimpsed the invisible before we ever saw it. The courage to rethink everything, and that's what makes his legacy eternal. It wasn't just about the numbers. It was about the nerve to say, what if space and time aren't what we think they are? He questioned the fabric of reality itself and built a new one. His theories didn't close the book on physics. They opened it to chapters we're still writing. Modern frontiers of physics today. Scientists explore even wilder frontiers. Can we unite gravity with quantum mechanics? Can we fold space to travel faster than light? Is our universe one of many in a vast multiverse? Each question we ask echoes the spirit of Einstein. Bold, unafraid, wondering, every telescope aimed skyward, every equation scribbled in chalk, every collider smashing particles together. Still nods back to that moment in 1905, when a 26-year-old patent clerk dared to think differently. The young clerk who changed the universe. Einstein didn't just bend time, he bent our understanding of it. He gave us the courage to believe the universe is stranger, grander, and more beautiful than we ever imagined. One man, one spark of insight, and the cosmos has never looked the same since. Cosmic legacy. Einstein reminded us that reality isn't flat or fixed. It bends, it stretches, it evolves, and we, as observers within it, are part of that unfolding mystery.